Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So in today's video I will be showing you the XAUUSD Gold strategy. Okay, so this is one of the best videos you want to watch on the best scalping strategy for gold in 2024. Alright, so sit back and relax. Well, first of all, what you want to know about gold, or the best strategy for trading gold, will be that gold works with support and resistance. Okay, there is no other thing than support and resistance. If you learn how to trade support and resistance and then learn how to master your zones, you are good to go. One thing about gold is that gold is a very wonderful pair. Like, it respects support and resistance. It magnets support and resistance. So as you can see, if you want to really trade the strategy very well, like you want to trade gold strategy very well, you need to start your analysis from the monthly and take it down to the weekly, take it down to the daily, take it down to the 4 hour, 15 minute, 5 minutes where you execute your trade. Mostly I do execute my trades on the 5 minutes and on the 1 minute most of the time. So my analysis time frame is usually the 4 hour time frame. Then I scale down to 15 minutes. Okay, scale down to 15 minutes and then the 5 minutes. So that is how I do my own analysis. If you can check one of the YouTube short, the last YouTube short I posted, you see the analysis we did, very brief, and gold played out exactly the way it was analyzed. So if you want to learn the best gold trading strategy for the year 2024, then you have to understand what I am doing in this video. But you can watch other of my videos, like my YouTube short, to see how I actually do it. And the something is, if you want to learn more how to do this, you can apply for my mentorship program, where I teach it very simply, where I will take you by the hand and then show you from beginning to the end, from the monthly to the 1 minute, how I map out my zones, what is my take profit, what is my stop loss, all the rules I have to obey in order for me to be profitable. So yeah, alright, keep watching the video. Yeah.